Welcome back to the channel where we are rising up together for positive change. I just wanted to throw together a quick video. Not trying to capitalize on anything that's going on right now, and I disagree with that wholeheartedly. I just want to reach out to you guys and let you know that we're going to get through this. It's a rough time. Everyone is having kind of that panic mode. Even if you're not, that's great. I know several people that are not necessarily panicking, but they're keeping that on the back burner, kind of, what are we going to do? Just keep yourself safe. Obviously, distance yourself from people. Maintain good, healthy hygiene. And follow all recommendations, of course. But more importantly than that, keeping yourself healthy up here is going to be really key. So try not to give in to any kind of panic scenarios, and limit the amount of news that you watch, because that can drive you down that path that you don't really need or want to be in. Also, just hang in there. It's affecting everything everybody's doing. Me personally, my wife and I are able to transition to working from home, but even that brings up other challenges as we have our children now at home, and how are we able to take care of our children while working? There's an imbalance there as well. But we are happy to at least not have them in school and being potentially exposed, things like that. So just hang in there. We're all going to get through it. And yeah, stick with it. Alright guys, well, this video is going to be really stripped down. Not going to be similar to the other stuff I was putting out. Just wanted to throw it together real quick. So I appreciate your time, and take care of yourself. And stick together. Take care of your family and friends. Obviously, keep that distance, but we'll get through it. Alright, I'll see you in the next one.